Hi there, I'm Darren McDermott and you're watching a Scandies update with SEB's chief economist Robert Bergqvist. So Robert, let's start off with Sweden. Now its GDP rose less than expected last month. So does this affect your outlook and what are your views on the currency's response to this?
Well, I would say that we have a downside risk to our economic growth outlook for Sweden this year, and the main reason that is, of course, that we see problems in the world economy. We had the full stop in the U.S. economy in the beginning of this year. We have seen all these kind of geopolitical tensions that is negative for investment growth. And when I look at the domestic economy, if I look at private consumption, it looks quite strong, but due to the international environment, there is a downside risk to the Swedish economic outlook. And we have seen, of course, this morning the impact on the currency. The Swedish Krona has weakened, and I think that also reflects that the Riksbank a couple of weeks ago they reacted very aggressively. They cut the policy rate by 50 basis points because they would like to have a weaker currency so that could help the export industry and also that it could raise inflation in Sweden.
We also have some Norwegian data out this week. Now, Robert, what are you expecting to see?
Well, we have seen quite strong labor market numbers, and so I think the picture of the labor market in Sweden is the same as before. We have a quite impressive strength in the Norwegian labor market. Also looking at business confidence, we have the PMI later this week. We have seen business confidence today, and I think that the Norwegian industry is becoming slightly more positive because we have also seen the weakening of the Norwegian krona, and that is of course good for the export industry. So fairly promising outlook. We expect that from the industry.
Now, Robert, despite the fact the Danish economy has not actually grown much, business confidence continues to rise. Now, Robert, why are we seeing such a bullish attitude?
Well, I think that the businesses are hoping for a stronger German economy. The German economy is, of course, quite important for Denmark. And, we have seen quite slow growth in Germany in the most recent months. But I think that the underlying strength, you have that in Germany, that should be good for the Danish industry. And on top of that, you have also a weakening of the euro. And of course, when you have the Danish krona pegged to the euro, that means also that the Danish krona should depreciate. And when you listen to the European Central Bank, it's quite obvious that they would like to have a weaker euro, and that means also a weaker Danish krona. So the combination of a weaker currency and hopefully a stronger German economy, that should be good for Danish businesses.
Robert, thank you very much for speaking to me today. Well, viewers, do stay tuned as we have plenty more just like this heading your way. Goodbye for now.